can't think of a better way to end 2025 than to showcase Kyle Lobpries' beautiful RV-7. This airplane came to us with a very vibrant history of flying and fun, and after about 20 years of flying this airplane, he has taken it on every adventure you can possibly imagine. I think it's been to Burning Man, it's been in formation flying, he's had people jump out of it and parachute out of it. This airplane has really lived a good life, and we wanted to take it to the next level and kind of take the next step in its history, I guess. This airplane is going to fly for a much longer time. We want to make sure that we really gave this airplane the paint scheme and the paint that it deserved. So it's here at Evoke. The first thing we had to do was get the airplane apart and see what was going on with it. So obviously after that much flying, it had a few issues on the airframe.
The main issue we ran into was the canopy had been pretty heavily damaged. It didn't really fit well. It had been spread out about 2 inches wider than the width of the cockpit. And when we were trying to make it fit, it just wasn't going to work. And we figured it more bang for the buck to go ahead and rebuild that thing from scratch. He got a brand new glass, new frame. I made all the skins from just blank scrap sheets that we had. I think it turned out pretty well. It works great. It fit good. Far and above better than what it was when it came in. Just like a new one.
And all that just to make sure the paint goes right.
Yes, we wanted that thing to be a showstopper. It was a great paint scheme. 20-year-old or thereabouts airplane, had a lot of life, a lot of hours flown on it, and we just wanted to make it start a new life.
The next thing we had to do was remove the original paint, so we did a chemical strip on the airplane and took it down to the bare aluminum. We really didn't find any major corrosion or any issues. Kyle was great during the process. We found a few things that neither us nor Kyle expected in that process of just pulling the airplane apart and stripping it. And we addressed all those things, put an amazing paint scheme on it, and really brought to light his military heritage and wanted to put that on his airplane and put some real cool personal touches on it.
Did you know you were making a banger when you designed this?
Yeah, I did. From the very beginning, Kyle kind of told me about his vision and what his plan was for the scheme. And from the get-go, I was pretty excited about it. He is a really creative guy. It was very much a collaboration and not a me design something and show him to see what he thinks about it. We were both designing the scheme, and it came out pretty cool, if I say so myself. So on the top cowling, we have a Spartan helmet. On the belly, we have Molin Labe. On the tail, we have a faded American flag with the faded stars, and the red and white stripes actually fade into blue on the rudder. All of it comes together to make a really cool scheme. Not to mention, there's actually a fade on the feathers on the wings, and there's a fade on the eagle head to the body, and then down to the tail feathers, where it goes from a light silver to a kind of a charcoal color and then to a silver again. It was cool to work on, and it's been even cooler to see how it's come to fruition and actually seeing it put together in person and knowing how important this plane is to Kyle and his family. It is really special to me too, to even have a small part in it.
Fortunately for us, Kyle loved the paint job so much. He showed up on taco day, got to eat with us, and then after tacos, some of our guys were brave enough to go up and go flying with him and try to hold down their tacos too. So they did a really nice job, or he did a really nice thing for those guys, really giving them the bug to keep working on planes, and we really appreciate him for doing that. So,
man, it was amazing. It was one of the best airplane rides I think I've ever had so far.
I don't think I ever saw you smile as big as you did getting off that plane, man.
Well, it's hard not to smile, really. Whether you're having a good day or a bad day, if you go up flying, it's gonna be a great day after, no matter what.
I honestly can't thank Kyle enough for being another one of the Evoke customers and being a part of our team. And now we're a part of that airplane story and the next step of life for this airplane. So Kyle, thank you. To everybody watching, if you made it this far, thank you. Me and the Evoke team, we appreciate you so much. We see every comment, we appreciate every like, And if you've subscribed to the channel and you've followed along thus far, thank you so much. We're just getting started, and we continue to hope to do more for you guys and show you more behind the schemes here. Just hang in there. We're just getting started, and we'll see you next time.